Hey everyone, so you're thinking about hitting the gym for the very first time, but you're a little nervous. Maybe you're worried about looking lost, using the equipment wrong, or just not knowing where to begin. Trust me, we have all been there. That feeling of gym anxiety is completely normal. But here, that's the good news. Your first week isn't about lifting heavy or pushing yourself to the absolute limit. It's all about getting comfortable, learning the space, and building a foundation. Let's break down a simple no-pressure plan for your first week that will set you up for success. So, let's talk about day 1. Your only mission today is to get familiar with your new environment. Don't even think about intense workouts. Start by hopping on a treadmill. Just walk at a comfortable pace for about 10 minutes. This is a great way to observe the gym layout, see where everything is, and just get a feel for the energy of the place. After your walk, let's find a couple of machines. Look for a chest press machine and a lat pull down or a seated row machine for your back. The key here is to use a very light weight, something that feels almost too easy. We're just learning the movement. Do to light sets of about 10 to 12 repetitions on each machine. Focus on moving slowly and controlling the weight. That's it. Seriously, day 1 is done. You showed up, you moved your body, and you learned something new. Go home and feel proud of that. Now for day 2. Your only job today is to rest. That's right, a full day off. Your body, especially when it's new to this kind of activity, needs time to recover and adapt. This rest day is just as important as your workout day. It allows your muscles to repair and get ready for the next session. So enjoy it, get some good sleep, and drink plenty of water. You've earned it. Welcome to day 3. Today we're going to focus on our legs and core, but again, we're keeping it light and simple. We'll start with some bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and focus on sitting back as if you're aiming for a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can while keeping your back straight and your chest up. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Then, let's move to a couple of leg machines, like the leg press or the leg extension. Just like on day 1, pick a very light weight. We're still prioritizing form over everything else. Do 2 light sets on each. To finish up, we'll do a little core work. Let's try a plank. You can do it from your toes or from your knees. Just hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, keeping your body in a straight line. Do that twice. And that's a wrap for day 3. You're building a solid routine. You guessed it, day 4 is another rest day. Your legs and core just did some new work, so we want to give them time to recover. Consistency isn't about going to the gym every single day. It's about sticking to a smart plan that allows your body to get stronger without getting burned out or injured. So, take this day to relax. Maybe go for a light walk if you feel like it, but no structured workout. Let your body do its thing. Alright, we've made it to day 5. Today we're going to do a light, full body workout, similar to what we did on day 1, but with a tiny bit of progression if you're feeling up to it. We'll start with our 10-minute walk on the treadmill to warm up. Then, we'll head back to the chest press and the back machine we used earlier. If you're feeling good and not too sore, you can try adding 1 extra set to each exercise. So, instead of 2 sets, you'll do 3. But if you're still feeling a bit tired or sore, just stick with 2 sets. The most important thing is to listen to your body. Don't push through pain. This is your final workout for the week. You've successfully completed your first week at the gym. How amazing is that? Before you go, I want to leave you with a crucial piece of advice. Many beginners think that if they're not super sore the next day, they didn't work out hard enough. That is a complete myth. Extreme soreness, especially when you're starting, is often a sign that you did too much, too soon, maybe with improper form. What truly matters in these first few weeks is not how sore you are, but the quality of your movements. Focus on proper form, control your breathing with each repetition, and most importantly, be consistent. Showing up and following this simple plan is the real victory. You are building habits that will last a lifetime. Great job on finishing week 1. And I can't wait to see you continue on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more beginner tips.